There's a hadith, again in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1 in the book of Salah, that the Sahabiyas, they prayed the same way as the men prayed. There's no different type of praying for men and women. You should pray the same as the Prophet prayed, irrespective whether you're a man or a woman. I am aware that there are books available in the market.
Perform tawarruk. And now over here, some people bring the hadith of Darda radiyallahu anha from Bukhari. Imam Bukhari narrates from Darda radiyallahu anha, كانت Darda radiyallahu anha تجلس جلسة الرجل. She would sit like a man. 2 points should be noted over here. One is that who is this Darda? Darda are two, because the kunniyat of the husband is Abu Darda, and he had married twice. His first wife, Darda al-Kubra, was a Sahabiyya, and his second wife, the younger one, was Darda al-Sughra, and she was only a Tabi'iyya, she was not a Sahabiyya. And the narrator of this hadith is not the Sahabiyya but the Tabi'iyya, because the narrator from her is Makhul al-Shami, and Makhul al-Shami did not meet up with Darda al-Kubra. She had passed away before Makhul went to learn a hadith. So Darda al-Sughra, the Tabi'iyya, is the teacher of Makhul al-Shami, and this narration is from Makhul al-Shami, that he narrates from Darda, who was a Tabi'iyya. So a Tabi'i's individual amal practice cannot be put forward as an argument, as a daleel. So Darda's argument and Darda's verdict over here cannot be used, because there is only that narration and nothing else to support it. So you can't put forward that wording of Darda as a daleel. Secondly, Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi has narrated this. Now, what is the opinion of the ulama with regards to the sitting of a man? There are differences whether a man should perform iftirash or tawarruk. Imam Shafi rahmatullah alayhi and others are of the opinion that a man should perform tawarruk. If Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi's opinion is also of tawarruk, that a man should perform tawarruk and put his legs on one side and sit on the floor, then this Darda sitting is okay. She used to sit like a man performing tawarruk, and that's what we are saying, that a woman should perform tawarruk. So you can't take from there that a lady, a woman should perform iftirash. Even if that was meant over here, that this is only from a tabi'iyya, and it could not be put as an argument. The evidence from the qawl, from the hadith which we said, from the aqwal of Sahaba, Abdullah ibn Umar, Hazrat Ali, and from the aqwal of Ibrahim Naqai, Mujahid ibn Jabr, they all prove that a woman should conceal herself, and it is more concealing for her to sit close to the floor as much as possible, rather than raising herself and pulling her chest out and opening herself. So that is not the way. The more she humbles herself is better for her.